This question says find f of x is equal to 3x plus 8 over x if it's increasing or decreasing at x equals minus 2. There's a few conditions that you need to remember. If f dash of x is greater than 0, then f of x is increasing, and if f dash x is less than 0, then f of x is decreasing, and if f dash x is equal to 0, is neither increasing nor decreasing. Increasing nor decreasing. So let's find that out then. So f of x, so I need to write that in upper index form. That would be 3x plus 8x to the minus 1. So f dash of x would be 3, so that will go to 3. That's minus 8x squared. So that's negative 2 squared there. So then f dash x would be 3 minus 8 over x squared. So now f dash of minus 2, so that would be 3 minus 8 over minus 2 all squared. So that would be 3. Now that will become a positive 4. 8 divided by 4 will be 2. And that will be 1. So since f dash x is greater than 0, i.e. 1 is greater than 0, therefore f of x is increasing at x is equal to minus 2.